How to hook up an antenna to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Connect the antenna. Locate the RF input on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. Connect the antenna's cable to this RF input, twisting it to ensure it is secure. Step number 2. Turn on the TV and open the home menu. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the main menu, Smart Hub. Step number 3. Set the source to TV. Navigate to Source and select TV as the input source. This allows your TV to access and tune into over-the-air channels. Step number 4. Begin channel scan, auto program. Go to Settings, Broadcasting, Auto Program. Note, if broadcasting is grayed out, ensure your TV is set to TV mode rather than HDMI or another input. Step number 5. Choose the signal type. When prompted, select Air for over-the-air antenna channels, Cable for cable channels, or both if you want to scan all available channels. Step number 6. Wait for the scan to complete. The TV will scan for all available channels. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Step number 7. Start watching antenna channels. After the scan, you can browse through the available channels using the channel up-down buttons on your remote.